Join us for our exciting open house event at 9703 Colonial Downs Drive, Mount Belvieu, Texas, 77523. This is an incredible opportunity to explore this beautiful property and potential find your dream home. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're growing a family, this is tailored to meet your needs. Tomorrow on the 20th from 12 to 2 and 3 to 5 p.m. will be the open house. Step inside the study home and experience the spacious, exceptional designs, explore the various rooms, including 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, modern kitchen, and cozy living room. Admire architect features high quality finishes and attention to details throughout the house. I will be here to answer any questions about the house and its features, and in the locations area also advise you on the home buying and selling process, financing options, and other real estate inquiries that you may have. Come by and enjoy complimentary refreshments and snacks while you explore the property. Don't miss out on exceptional open house events. Mark your calendars, bring your friends and family along to discover the endless possibilities of the property has to offer. For more information, to schedule a private showing, please contact me, James Dickerson, at 281-883-8426 or James at dcrealtytexas.com. I'm looking forward to welcoming you at your new home at 9703 Colonial Downs Drive in Mount Belvieu, Texas. Talk to you all soon. Y'all have a great day.